Let's make vector wider. Welcome back to TakeApart. Today I will show you how to make a vector look cooler by placing spaces behind his wheels. Firstly, let's check how wide is the vector now. He is 6 cm or 60 mm wide. Okay, let's remove tracks. And wheel covers from each wheel. Simply just pop them off. Once done, use a Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew wheel screws so you can simply remove wheels. Under the front wheels are gears, so you need to get washers there. Washers has to be perfect size, so they will not block the gears, and vector can actually move. I got the washers with 1 mm thickness and the center hole of 6 mm. They just fit. Place wheels back on and make sure they spin and engaging with the gears. Screw in screws, but not too tight, otherwise they will not spin at all. One more check, all seems to be good. Here you can see difference between original and modified wheels. So place covers and track back on. Oh boy, it looks great. Let's move on another side. Same thing, remove the wheels. And insert the washers. And wheels are going back. Tie the screws. And pop the covers back on. Lastly, track. Now it's all done and it is cool. Let's see the difference. Whoa, it is 2 mm wider. We are on 62 mm. I think it is a max you can go. Vector will walk as before without any issues. Thank you for watching, please subscribe and see you in the next video.